Hello, family. Today we're making a 3-step healthy butter pecan ice cream with an orange twist. Theme: no churn, low sodium, Greek yogurt based.
In my kitchen late at night, got a treat that feels just right. No machine, just a pen and a dream. Turn the oven on low heat, good 50 degrees, oh that's my beat. Pecan halves on a tray, let them gleam. 6 to 8, let them toast, till the smell hits you the most. Pull them out, let them cool, don't rush. Roughly chopped, little crunch, butter pecan, sold for lunch. This is how we break the old dessert rules. Maple butter pecan in my bowl tonight. No churn, just a blender in my appetite. Greek yogurt, coconut, bananas frozen tight. We're making something sweet, cold, good for the soul. Sweet, cold, good for the soul. Yogurt in the jar, coconut milk, we've come this far. 1 cup thick, let it pour nice and slow. 2 cups bananas, frozen gold. A maple syrup, pure and bold. Our 3rd cup, let that river flow. 2 spoons vanilla, slide right in. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, we'll layer in comfort, warm and deep. Lid on tight now, hit that blend, smooth and creamy to the end. Let it whirl until it looks like silk and sleek. Maple butter pecan in my bowl tonight. No churn, just a blender in my appetite. Taste the mix if you want a little more light. Add a splash of maple, make the sweetness right. Sweet, cold, good for the soul tonight. Smooth to crunch, fold those pecans in a bunch. 3/4 cup of toasty love, oh yes. Dates like caramel, chopped up fine, 4 sweet jewels in the line. 2 spoons coconut, snow white dress. Pour that river in the pan, Louvre-tin waiting, that's the plan. Smooth the top like you're tucking it in. Parchment blanket, press it down, seal it tight, no ice crystal crown. Into the freezer, let the magic begin. Maple butter pecan in my bowl tonight. 4 hours minimum, 6 to 8 is right. Let it rest, let it freeze, let the flavors unite. Sweet, cold, good for the soul tonight. Sweet, cold, good for the soul tonight. Pull it out, don't rush the treat. 10, 15 on the counter, feel the heat. let it soften just enough to scoop. Big cold curls on a waiting dish, extra pecans if you wish. Every bite's a slow mince, not a loop. No coconut milk, half and half will do. Add a bit more banana, keep it creamy for you. No dates around, let that maple drip right on top of each slow. Careful scoop you cool. Want it firmer, let it freeze all night. Want it softer, stir in the first 2 hours. Keep it light. Apple butter pecan in my bowl tonight. From a simple little kitchen to a 5-star bite. Chefs in whites saying how she get this right. Sweet, cold, good for the soul. Sweet, cold, good for the soul. No churn, no fuss, just soul and light.
This is my no-churn maple butter pecan ice cream. If you make it, tell me how your first bite feels.